The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northeastern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Bureau County in north central Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Thomas, or 17 miles southwest of Rock Falls, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Tampico, Deer Grove, and Normandy around 6:55 p.m. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Joe Davis County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois.
It's already broadcasting everywhere. They're gonna strike you out.
At 6:47 p.m.,
Do you hear me?
thunderstorms were
What?
located
Don't
over
post that one.
extending from
It's
Joe
already
Davis
posted
County,
all over the
Fairgrounds,
country.
Only no radar radio.
45 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lena, Milledgeville, Coletta, and Lake Lackawanna State Park around 6:55 p.m. Winslow, Carroll County Fairgrounds, and Kidd around 7
Just
p.m.
eat the chicken. You don't
Lena
need to eat
Vista
the
and
rice. You
McConnell around
already ate
7:05
the
p.m.
rice.
Other locations in the path of these severe
Eat the
thunderstorms
meat,
include
not
Vallejo,
the breading.
Skokie, Rock City, Rock Grove, Davis, and Lake Somerset. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois. A tornado warning remains